Have you ever wondered how to face paint? Well, I went to Clown College and I'm going to teach you now. My name is Elena Hadrava from the Fashion Design Tulsa Tech, and in this instructional video, I'm going to teach you how to set up, how to face paint, and how to clean up afterwards. I challenge you to try this at home after you watch.
The materials needed to face paint are paintbrushes, a face paint palette or face paint pots, a water cup, optional glitter, a face or face mat, and paper towels to keep your workspace clean and to use. If the face you're working on is sweaty, wipe it off with a paper towel, and if there's makeup, spray some water on the face and wipe it off. The first step to face painting is taking your brush. Wet your brush in the water and dry some of it off on the paper towel. Get your face paint and swirl it around in the paint. Make sure it coats all of the bristles. If you think it's too wet, test it on your hand. Wash your brush off and grab your next brush and face paint. Wet that brush, dry it off a little, and swirl it back into the next paint, like you did the first paint. If you want to point, make sure to twirl your brush so the tip of the brush is pointed. The next thing you do is wash your brush off. Then grab your next brush. Here I have a flat brush. I wet it and I put it into the next kind of face paint. Here we have a cake of face paint. This kind you need to drag your brush up and down. Do not swirl it. Then wet your paintbrush and wash it off. Grab your next paintbrush, wet it, dab it on the paper towel, and grab your next face paint. Here I have black. Here, I'm going to swirl the water and brush in the face paint, and then twist the brush. Make sure the lines you paint are confident. This is so you get the straightest lines possible. If you mess up, it's okay. You can always redo a section. Just take your spray bottle of water, or water on a brush, put it on the face paint, and wipe it off. Ta-da! You are done. But wait, you still have to clean up. So, first step of cleaning up is putting the lids on the paint. This is so they don't dry out. Then, move your dry brushes aside, take your dirty brushes in water, and swirl them in the water. Then, you dry your brushes off on the paper towel.
Take your paintbrush.
Dump out your water, and now you're finished!
In this tutorial, you learned what materials are needed, how to face paint a unicorn using color, texture, and specific techniques, as well as the cleanup process. This project connects to the Family and Consumer Sciences Standard 16.3, which is all about using design skills in fashion and creative projects. I picked paints that are safe for the skin, use the right brushes for detail, and follow the steps to create this fun unicorn design. This shows how design can be used in different careers, and how creative skills are part of what we learn in FCS. Thank you for watching.